Hi friends, today I explain you exercise 3.2 question number 7. First of all, read this question. Draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertex of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and the shade the triangular region. So first of all, we need to form the triangle. Before that, we need to draw the graph of these two lines, and it's a and we need to form triangle with the x-axis. Okay, so we need to draw the graph. We already learned this method in exercise 3.1, means how we can draw the graph, right? So our first equation is x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So I can write like this: x minus y, transfer this 1 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. Okay, now put x is equals to 0. So here in place of x, 0, minus y as it is equals to minus 1. Now minus minus cut from both sides, otherwise transfer y to the right hand side, transfer 1 to the left hand side. So both become plus, right? So alternative y is equals to 1. So if x is equals to 0, then our y is equals to 1. This is our first point, right? X is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. Now put y is equals to 0. What is our equation? X minus y is equals to minus 1. So x as it is, this time y is equals to 0. So our x is equals to minus 1, right? If we put y is equals to 0, then we get x is equals to minus 1. So our 2 points are ready for first equation. 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay, then second equation. Second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. So I can write like this: 3x plus 2y, transfer this minus 12 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 12. Okay, then put x is equals to 0. Then put x is equals to 0 here. So x is equals to 0. So here 3 into 0 plus 2y as it is equals to 12. Now 3 into 0, it's a 0. So I ignore this. Okay. So 2y is equals to 12. So transfer this 2 to the right hand side. It goes to the denominator. Right? Because 2 is in multiplication with y. So it goes to the denominator. So 12 by 2. So y is equals to 6. Right? If you put x is equals to 0, you will get y is equals to 6. Here 0, 6. Right? X is equals to 0, y is equals to 6. Then in equation 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. Now this time put y is equals to 0. So your 3x as it is, 2 into y, 2 into 0. So 2 into 0, it's a 0. That means 3x is equals to 12. So transfer this 3 to the right hand side. It goes to the denominator. So x is equals to 4. So if you put y is equals to 0, you will get x is equals to 4. So for second line, our 2 points are ready. Okay, now we have the coordinate of 2 points for each equation. So just put this point on the graph. So our first point, it is 0, 1. It lies on the y-axis, right? X coordinate 0, that's y. Here. Second point, minus 1, 0. It lies on the x-axis because y is 0. So minus 1 0, it is left hand side of y axis here. So from this 2 point, just pass one line, so you will get this line. Okay, so first line is done. Now for second line 4 0, it lies on the x axis, right? Y is equal to 0, that's why. Then 0 6, it lies on the y axis because x coordinate 0. Then pass one line from this 2 point, you will get this line. Okay, so two lines are ready. Now this two line makes this triangle with the x axis, right? Because our three lines, one line, second line and x axis. Now what is the common part of these three lines? Means this three lines make one triangle, right? This one. So this is our triangle. Now what we need to find? What we need to find? Determine the coordinate of the vertex of triangle, right? We need to write the vertex of triangle. Okay, we need to write vertex of triangle. So this is our triangle. Now our first vertex, it is P. I give name P. If we extend to the x-axis and y-axis, it is 2 3, right? If we extend to the x-axis, value is 2. If we extend to the right y-axis, value is 3. So 2 3 is a coordinate of this point. That means intersection point of two line. Okay, then second point, here it's a B, and coordinate of B, coordinate of this point, it is minus 1 0. We already write it, right? P 2 3, second B minus 1 0, and third coordinate is this C 4 0, right? We already write the coordinate of B and C. Just we find the coordinate of P, so our three coordinates are ready. So at last we can write like this. We can see from the graph that points of intersection of the lines with the x-axis are minus 1 0, 2 3 and 4 0. Okay, because this is our triangle, so we need to write coordinate of this 3 point that we've written here. Okay, this is our final answer. Here our exercise 2.3 is complete. If you have any doubt, so just write down in comment section. I will try to give answer in my next video. Okay, thank you so much.